Now she's not crying.
It's okay. She's enjoying it now. She doesn't like discovering it. That is so
How much you want to charge for the jacuzzi? Oh, she said no.
Then you bubble.
That's right. There you go.
Just like it.
She likes that. Okay.
Oh, look at that face.
Ooh, look at her.
Won't even wake up for a bath.
Wake up, wake up. Okay. I have to make the bed. So mommy want to hold on to her like that. Don't let her fall though, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just pour the water with the other hand, okay? Let me make the bed, okay? Just keep on pouring the water so she don't fall. Okay. Be careful though.
Hey, baby.
No more cry, yeah? Okay. Then I'll get her over here. Okay, let's go.